What if I told you that detailing your car the right way could make it look better than the day you bought it? Most people wash their cars and call it done, but true detailing is a completely different level of care. The first hidden secret is the 2-bucket wash method, which prevents swirl marks from ruining your paint. One bucket holds your soapy water, the other rinses your mitt, keeping dirt away from your car's surface. After washing, clay bar treatment removes invisible contaminants bonded deep into your paint that washing simply cannot reach. Your paint will feel incredibly smooth after claying, like glass. And that feeling means your car is truly clean. Next comes paint correction, the professional secret that eliminates swirl marks, scratches, and oxidation from your car's surface. A machine polisher with the right compound will restore your paint to a deep, flawless mirror-like shine. Once corrected, protect that perfect paint with a ceramic coating for long-lasting, water-repelling, showroom quality protection. Ceramic coating bonds chemically to your paint, creating an invisible shield against dirt, UV rays and harsh weather. Don't forget the tires and wheels, because neglected wheels instantly ruin an otherwise perfectly detailed car. Apply tire dressing for a rich, deep, black finish that makes your entire car look freshly driven off the showroom floor. Interior detailing matters just as much, starting with a thorough vacuum removing every hidden crumb and particle inside. Steam cleaning your interior kills bacteria and lifts stubborn stains without harsh chemicals, damaging your surfaces. Condition your leather seats to prevent cracking and restore that rich, supple feel that makes every drive luxurious. Glass cleaning is the final exterior step, using streak-free solution for crystal clear visibility and stunning reflections. The real secret professionals never share is consistency. Detailing regularly keeps your car protected and always looking extraordinary. Now you know the hidden secrets of car detailing. Start today and watch your car transform beyond recognition.